everyone, welcome to Try Right. This is back 365. So myself Sujit. So today we are going to learn the remaining built-in methods that are available in our set data type. Okay, because in the previous session we are already complete 2 to 3 built-in methods that are available in the set. So in this session we are going to complete the remaining built-in method. Okay, so guys, till this session, if you have any doubt, you can directly contact to TryRight. The next method will be pop method. So what is the use of this pop method? This method is also to remove a random element, because here you don't need to pass any argument. Okay, so we know that set will be a unordered, means you cannot guess the order. That's why we can say that this method is used to remove a random element from a list, sorry, from a set. It return the remove element. It return the remove element. Whatever the element you are going to remove, it will be showing that particular, or we can say that remote element also. Okay, so then this method will not taking any argument. If you are giving, then it will be throwing and error. And for the syntax of this will be variable name dot pop. Directly you can assign that particular thing. Now we are going to apply on that. Okay, now if I'm going to run that pop pop, inside that I will be assigning 420, means I will be giving a argument. In that case, what is my output? I will be fine. Just see, it will be throwing an error that s.pop take no argument. If you are giving argument, then it will be throwing an error. Now if you are going to, means in the interview, they might be ask you, try to write a code to remove a random element from any collection data type. Okay, if they will be given the list, you can convert it into set, then you can use this, means it will be remove the random element. You can just see guys, if I'm running, every time it will be remove a different element. Now at first it will be remove the 33. Again we are going to see, now it will be removing that particular, what it will be removing, again it will be removing the 33, means every time it will be remove the different output. Okay, now if I'm going to use that particular again after every 2 times, means each time one element, then you can find first it will be removing that particular 33, one it will be removing. Okay, again the 33 also it will be removed, means in the, means as of now you can see it will be deleting from the ascending. Okay, from starting to ending, but we cannot predict time. There might be chances that it will be removing at every time. There might be chances it will be not removing as according to us. Okay, so make sure that you need to understand that it will be a random. Okay, so the next method will be clear method. Okay, so clear method, it used to, this method is used to delete or remove all the element, means whatever the element that are present in a string, it will be remove all the element. And the return type will be, and the return type is none, means if you are going to print that particular thing, it will be give me that particular none only. Okay guys, I am also forgetting. Now if you are going to see which outcome it will be deleting, if you are printing this pop, you can find. Okay, I just stop this to printing statement. Okay, so now if I'm going to run, it will be give me that removing element. First it will be removing the 33, then it will be removing again 33. There might be chances they will be removing a different element. Okay, now if I'm giving one more time, now it will be giving me a new element for sure. Just see, first it will be giving me 33, then it will be 420. There might be chances that. Okay, then the next one will be clear method. the clear method will be remove the entire thing. Okay, by the help of this clear method, you can see it will be removing the entire thing at a time. Okay, guys. Now, if I'm using that particular clear method, you can see. So s dot clear, before that particular clear method, I just print. After that particular clear also, I'll be printing. If you see, if you saw that particular thing, now it will be give me an empty set because there will be no element that are available after remove all the elements. So this is the use case of our clear method. So the syntax for that will be variable name dot clear. It will be not taking any argument to remove that particular things. Okay, this is the these are these are the different remove method that are available in our set built-in method. Then the next built-in method will be union. Guys, I think in your college time also you know that union, intersection, difference. Okay, in the college time you know, but how it going to work now we are going to see now. So guys, union means it will be means in that case you need to give two set means if I am adding two number at that time also I need to take two number. Okay, that's why here the union say that this method is used to combine all the element from two set. Okay, this method is used to combine all the element from two set. Okay, the return type will be return type of union is set means because every time if you are going to add in this then every time it will be creating a new set only. Okay, and for this syntax will very simple. Variable name, sorry guys, variable name dot union, because first you need to find the first variable name, then you are using the union, then you need to find the variable name too, variable name too. You can give the particular same also. Okay, now how it going to work we are going to see now. So I just need to comment each and everything and I'll take new to set. How it going to work we are going to see now. Okay, so I'll take s1 equal to 4 1 8 and 3. Okay, and for my s2 I'll take -2, sorry, -2, 4, 8, and 5. Now my requirement will be I want to add that particular thing. So here I need to give my first variable name dot union. Then inside the parenthesis I need to pass my second variable name means the two set. Now if I'm going to run, it will be not giving me any output. Now if I'm going to print this particular thing, because the return type of this union method will be a new set. Now if I'm going to run this one, it will be adding that particular. If you see here also, we cannot predict the order. Okay, maximum time you cannot predict the order, but minimum time you can predict like that. Okay, guys, if I'm interchange that position, what is the output means I want to add s2 dot union, okay, with s1. First I will be adding or union s1 with s2. Now my requirement will be I need to add s2 union s1. Now if I'm going to see both time it will be going to give me the same output, but every time it will be not possible, but there might be chance it will be possible. Now my requirement will be I want to add with same means S1 union with S1 and S2 union with S2. How it going to happen? We are going to see now. Okay. Now if I'm going to run this one, so it also adding itself only means it will be printing 4183 48 8452 means we cannot predict that particular order. Okay guys, because if you see it will be adding 2 means it must be give 2 time, but set will be used for 2 to delete the duplicate value. That's why it will be throwing me, it will be showing me one time as my output. Okay guys, then the next built-in method will be intersection. Okay, so how the intersection will going to work means this method is used to select the column element, means the common element between the two set. Okay, so this method is used to select the common element from two set, means if you are taking two set, it will only choosing the common element, and the return type is a new set only. Okay, new set only, because if you are see, it will be only giving me the common element. That's why it will be give me a new set. And for this syntax will be very simple. Variable name one dot intersection. Okay, intersection, in the parenthesis you need to pass the variable name 2. Okay, now how it going to work, we are going to see now. Guys, if you see, there will be two, means I will be adding 3. Okay, means if you see, if I'm checking that from S1 to S2, there will be common element will be 8 and 3. Okay, if I'm checking also S2 to S1 also, it will be same. How it going to work, we are going to see now, because the return type will be new set. That's why I'm printing S1 dot intersection with S2. How it going to work, guys, just see now. If you see, it will be give me the same element 4, 8 and 3. Now if I'm going to print to S2 dot intersection of S1, in that case also it will be give me the same output, because in the two set every time the common element will be same. Now my requirement will be, if I'm going to intersect with itself just like my union, then what is my output, we are going to see now. Okay, S1 dot intersection with S1. I just see what is my output, means it will be give me that particular thing, because each and everything will be repeating the same. That's why it will be give me that particular same output. If you see S2 dot intersection with S2, it will also give me the same, because it will be same, each and every element will be same. That's why it will be give me this same output or same set only. Okay, then the next built-in method that are available in our set built-in method will be difference. Okay, what is the difference, we are going to understand that particular thing. Okay, difference is nothing but this method is used to remove common element. If you see here, it will be showing that common element, but here it will remove that common element. Okay guys, this method is used to remove the common element. Okay guys, the return type will be also same. Return type is set only. Okay, and the syntax will be variable name. Okay, variable name dot difference. Okay, of variable to name. Okay, because we are going to check that particular thing. So guys, how it going to work, we are going to see now. So I'm using here, so same I'll take. Okay, now I want to check that particular thing. Print S1 dot difference of S2. Okay guys, just see my output guys. If I'm going to use this S1 dot S2, guys, just see here the same common element will be 4, 8, 3, but this one will be unique. That's why it, whenever I am printing S1 difference S2, it will be give me only one. If I'm using the difference between my S2 difference S1, then in that case it will be give me the difference between here -2 then 5. Okay, because because 483 will be common. Okay, but if you see here, it will be give me 5 and -2. Now if I'm going to give me the intersection between among only, means what is the difference, means if you are checking in itself only, it will be same, means it no difference will be there because each and everything will be same. That's why it will be give me a empty set. Okay, now if you are going to check for your S2 also, it will be showing your empty set only because each and everything will be same. Okay, whatever the difference it will be showing means if you are taking S1 from S1, what is the difference? It will showing. For if you are checking for S2 difference, then for the difference, what is the difference of S2, it will be showing. So these are our built-in method that are available in our set collection data type. So thanks for watching. Try right.